A short while before the sun came out from behind the hillside, I saw 3 crows and decided, before having my coffee, to take out some seed. Peanuts, birdseed, and sunflower seed. You can see what happened next. Not only did crows show up, but the usual red-winged blackbirds, scrub jays, Stellers jays, Mallard ducks, and one hawk flew overhead. I believe he was looking for breakfast as well, the others. So keep watching and you can see what I saw, except for the hawk. Perhaps the most surprising sight of the day for me was to discover I have poppies blooming on the 30th of October. And yesterday I discovered a hollyhock in bloom.